What do you think about this?
I think it's great.
What do you think about this?
I think it's great.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 5-minute walk.
Do you believe in luck?
Sometimes I do.
Can you lend me some money?
Sorry, I don't have cash right now.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you need to see a doctor?
No, I will be fine.
What is your diet like?
I eat a lot of fruits and vegetables.
Are you feeling okay?
No, I have a headache.
Did you take your medicine?
Yes, I did.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you like coffee or tea?
I prefer tea.
What are you doing this weekend?
I am going to a movie.
What is your favorite hobby?
I love painting.
Who is our new teacher?
Her name is Mr. Brown.
When is the test?
It's next Monday.
Can I borrow your pen?
Sure, here you go.
What is the topic for today?
We are learning about history.
Did you finish your homework?
Yes, I did.
Can you send me the report?
Sure, I will email it to you.
Do you need help with that?
Yes, please.
What is the deadline?
It is due by Friday.
What is the deadline?
It's due by Friday.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. How about you?
She eat breakfast.
She ate breakfast.
She eats breakfast.
She ate breakfast.
I read books.
I read a book yesterday.
I read books.
I read a book yesterday.
She writes a letter.
She wrote a letter.
She writes a letter.
She wrote a letter.
They play football.
They play football last evening.
They play football.
They played football last evening.
He eats an apple.
He ate an apple.
He eats an apple.
He ate an apple.
We visit the park.
We visited the park last week.
We visit the park.
We visited the park last week.
I drink coffee.
I drank coffee this morning.
I drink the coffee.
I drank coffee this morning.
She drives a car.
She drove a car yesterday.
She drives a car.
She drove a car yesterday.
They sing songs.
They sang songs at the party.
They sing songs.
They sang songs at the party.
He runs every day.
He ran yesterday morning.
He runs every day.
He ran yesterday morning.
We watch movies.
We watched a movie last night.
We watch movies.
We watched a movie last night.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
Please come here.
Please come here.
Can I help you?
Can I help you?
I need some time.
I need some time.
Can you drive a car?
Can you drive a car?
Do you watch television often?
Do you watch television often?
What is your favorite season?
What is your favorite season?
How do you spend your free time?
How do you spend your free time?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
What is your dream job?
What is your dream job?
Do you enjoy cooking?
Do you enjoy cooking?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
Do you play any sports?
Do you play any sports?
What is your favorite color?
What is your favorite color?
Do you like to travel?
Do you like to travel?
Are you free tomorrow?
Are you free tomorrow?
Can I ask you a question?
Can I ask a question?
What are your plans for the weekend?
What are your plans for the weekend?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Can you help me?
Can you help me?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
What is your phone number?
What is your phone number?
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?